Hi, Rich Irosi here with my Techno tip for the Active Rain contest. Like a lot of realtors, I use an iPad when I give a listing presentation. And in the past it has been a little bit cumbersome. You have the iPad facing the owners and you're looking over it like this, okay? You're flipping the pages back and forth. I don't know if you can see that, but technically you're not looking at the actual owners. So what I've done now is I've paired the iPad with my iPhone. The iPad, I use the Keynote application, which is about $9.99. It's the premier Apple application. I create my listing presentation on my PC in PowerPoint, import it into Keynote, converts easily. What I do with the iPhone has an application called Keynote Remote. Okay, and what that does is from the iPhone, it now controls what's on the iPad Keynote presentation. So if you can see this, okay, I'm not going to be touching the iPad screen. I'm going to be giving it to the owners. They're going to be looking at it, and all I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using my iPhone. And you can see I can change whatever page you want on the iPad by using the Keynote Remote application, Bluetooth connected to the iPad, so you don't need to have a Wi-Fi network or anything like that. Very simple. I find it's incredibly much easier to give a listing presentation when you are actually looking at the owners of the property and seeing what they're looking at on the iPad screen. You could tell their emotions. So again, that's my Techno tip. Pretty easy, pretty straightforward. The Keynote application for the iPad, $9.99. The Keynote Remote application for the iPhone, $0.